You cannot grow on YouTube if you do not promote your videos and your channel, especially when they watch the video above 3 minutes. Let's get to the second part of this video, which is how you can get your 4,000 watch hours in the next 3 weeks. Now, you already know how you can get your subscribers, and the same way you can get the subscribers is the same way you can get your watch hours. If you share your videos to as many people as possible to all your social media platforms, you would definitely be drawing people from there to watch your videos. There is one thing you need to know about the algorithm of YouTube. The algorithm of YouTube actually wants to know how many people watch the video immediately it is dropped. So immediately you're dropping your video, you have to be persuasive about sharing it. There is also Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the places that I get a lot of views from. Share to all of them immediately you're posting your video, so that at that same time they are watching it, the algorithm is aware that no, there should be something good on this video or in this video that everyone wants to watch. Even if it is 5 people, it's still something. If it's 10 people, good. Start with your family. Share to your family and insist on them to watch the video immediately you are dropping it. So you can make a group of people, like 10 people or 20 people, and tell them, I am dropping this video at 4 p.m. Please be there on time, especially when you're starting out, okay? So if these 20 people are aware that, okay, they have to watch your video immediately you drop it, you drop the video, they watch it, YouTube knows 20 people from 20 different places are watching this video. It means there is something interesting about it, especially when they watch the video above 3 minutes. Remember, above 3 minutes. If they watch for 30 seconds, no, it's normal. People might have just passed through your video and then clicked out of. But when they watch for 3 minutes, it means they want to watch more. There is something interesting about it, and the algorithm of YouTube is going to keep, recommending that video to other people. As more as you invite people, if you have 20 people, the algorithm will share to 200 people. If you have 200 people, it's going to share to 2,000 people. I mean, that's just how the system is. But if you drop a video and you don't tell anyone, the first few minutes, the first few hours that you've dropped the video, you have 1 view or 2 views and it's just you, then the algorithm won't feel any need to share that video or to refer that video to a lot of people. So one thing you should do when you drop a video or before you drop your video is to inform at least 5 people and, plead with them to watch that video immediately the time you're dropping. If you have 20, the better. If you have 200, the better. All right? Now, when the video is dropped, you share to other people. There are so many ways you can promote your video. What I'm trying to tell you right now is you cannot grow on YouTube if you do not promote your videos and your channel. If someone tells you otherwise, that person is a big L. You must promote your video. I'm not saying you must promote financially. I mean, sharing to other platforms is already promoting the video. All right, so you must be able to promote your video and promote the video aggressively. Take, for example, a video like this movie. I'm sure a lot of you have watched this movie. I mean, this movie is almost 20 million views. And do you think they just posted that video and sat waiting for the algorithm to do work for them? No. They actually ran promotions on this video to be able to get their first 1 million views in less than hours. I mean, it was just like 3 hours, 4 hours that they promoted the video and it got that 1 million. When it got that 1 million, the algorithm now multiplied whatever the amount of people that had watched it. I mean, started requesting to a lot of people, referring the movie to a lot of people. So that is the secret of YouTube. Promote your videos, promote your channel, and do that aggressively. Now, if you don't have the money to promote it financially, make sure you promote to all social media platforms aggressively. There are 2 parts of the coin: with money, without money. Now, I'm going to show you on another video how you can actually promote your videos on YouTube with the promotion tab that is right there. All right, I'm going to do that as a separate video, but these are the things you have to do to increase your watch hours. If anyone tells you otherwise, yes, you're going to bring people to watch, but for you to be able to get this 4,000 watch hours and to prompt the algorithm to share your video or to recommend your videos to a lot of people, you have to first of all do the work of promoting and bringing a lot of people to watch your videos. Now, beside this promotion, there is another way that you can actually promote your video to get watch hours as much as possible, and that is what we will be implementing on this channel. Because one, we do not have the money to promote like they promoted this video, and two, yes, this one works, promoting on social media platforms, but it's very slow, especially when you don't have, a community of people that trust what you do. This one, promoting on social media platforms, will be a little bit slow. And even when you promote on social media platforms, if you go to TikTok and promote your video, you can also run an ad on it. All right, you can promote it with an amount of money and you reach a lot of people that can now come to your YouTube channel. On Facebook, you can do the same. You can do the same on Facebook. All right, but now another way you can actually promote your video is by using Restream. I'm just giving you different ways you can actually promote your video, but I'm going to take this one after the other to make it broad and to make it very explicit so you all can understand. I'm going to talk about how you can promote it like they promoted this video right here, this movie, all right? Love in every word. I'm going to show you how you can promote it using this means with money, using your Google Ads. And I'm going to also make another video on how you can promote using social media platforms. And I'm also going to make another video on how you can use Restream to restream the videos that you've already recorded on your channel. So what I do is I use Restream and I actually stream the videos that I have recorded for this channel live without me being in front of the camera. Because one thing is to have the time to sit in front of your camera when you've recorded all day and then you've gone about your other activities is very tiring, and sometimes you're boring. Yeah, I know that sometimes I'm really boring. So the best way to do it is to restream the videos that you have already posted or you have recorded. I actually avoid the videos I have recorded that I've not posted, because if I restream them, then when I post it, I think I will not have a lot of views on it, and I always want my content to be forever. All right, so what you do is the videos you've already posted, you restream it. Guys, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you go down to the comment section. You see where subscribe is, right? Subscribe, click on the like, then you drop a comment right there. And do not forget, the link to the WhatsApp group and to the Telegram group is right on the comment section and on the description. Go there, click on it, and join the community of YouTubers who support each other to grow by watching your videos at least 3 minutes, by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And we mean it. We are a group of YouTubers who mean business. So you want to join us, all right? Because if we are about 3,000 of us, just imagine when you drop the group, you're already sure of having 3,000 subscribers. You're already sure of having 3,000 people times the 3 minutes they would watch your video. And of course, it's not just going to be 3 minutes from each of these 3,000 people, but it's going to be more, because if you have good content, most of these people will watch more than 3 minutes. So make sure you join the community so that we can move massively always. And we do this when you drop a new video, we all go to support you with that video every other time. It's a powerful community, and I can't wait for you guys to join it. Remember, there are several ways you can get your 4,000 watch hours by promoting your videos using the promotion tab, using Google Ads, by promoting your videos on your social media platforms, and also by using Restream to stream live on your YouTube channel. Thank you all so very much for watching till the end. Until next time, stay blessed.